Hello friends, let's learn some colors name. Orange color, purple color, red color, violet color, dark blue color, light green color, brown color, yellow color, dark green color, light blue color, pink color, black color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A for animals. B for birds. C for cherry. D for doll. E for egg. F for fox. G for gun. H for hand. I for ink. J for juice. K for kids. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nose. O for oil. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for train. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.